I wanted to talk to you today about the soils that we make at the Green Life Soil Company. We've been making them close to 16 years now, and over the years we've done a lot of analysis, a lot of trials, and a lot of asking customers what they actually want and how they need it to work. And we believe today we have a really good formula for creating soils that need little input and can work straight away without too much input. Well, we've worked hard at making sure everything that you need in the soil to grow these vegetables to fruition, to the final harvest, is in there. And that's what we like to get across to our customers. So if you're short of time, you've got a family, but you want the benefits of growing your own vegetables, the freshness and the added nutrition that you need in vegetables, come and see us. Come and talk to us about how you want that to work for you, and we'll do our darndest to help you out.